nalaman ko. Unexpected kasi may bigay na blessing. Naiyak ako.
I'm gonna love you all my life.
Nung sinabi niya sa akin na buntis siya, ngumiti lang ako tapos sinabi niya sa akin na paano tayo niyan, sabi mo ganun.
Yung pangalan naman ni Jai, kung saan galing? Kasi Mitch kay ate, may 10K.
I'm gonna stay right by your side.
Mas lumalambing siya ngayon eh. Kumaga, dati hindi naman siya ganun. Kumaga, yung mayakap na ganun. Lumalaki na rin talaga.
Mabait, makulit. Parang magmamana sa tatay niya, matigas ulo.
And the changes they may come, oh,
Manaming mapagpala, hinirang mo ang mga bibinyagan upang masayang ipahayag ang mabuting balita ni Kristo para sa lahat.
that is out of reach, and the answers they may seem hard to find. And the castles start to fall, and the only words you know
Magbabasbas ng tubig, pambinyang.
whenever you start to feel like running, and you forget
Sa Ama, ang Anak, at ang Espiritu Santo. Amen. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
I'm gonna love you all my life. I'm gonna love you all my life. Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight.
Sana lumaki kang maganda, kahit maganda ka ngayon, maganda pa rin yung paglaki.
Sana lumaki kang malusog, mabait, at saka madasaling bata.
That you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Ooh, celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Ayun, lumaki kang mabait na bata at may galang sa ibang tao. Yun lang. Bye!
Diyos ko, sana wag ka magkasinggera katulad ng mga tita.
Maging healthy. Ayun lang.
Celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Siya.
Thank you sa mga pumunta, sa mga ninong-ninang. Thank you sa time nyo.
Thank you, maraming salamat at di kayo nagdalawang isip na pumunta. Salamat.
Bye!